Hi, I'm Kiirsten Farr here with Heather VanderMyde and Coldwell Banker Seaside Realty and the VanderMyde Real Estate Group. We are here today to show you what we believe is a gem waiting for modern touches and updates. An absolute family retreat haven, all overlooking sparkling waters with a private boat dock. As one of the very first homes built in Martins Point, it's no wonder the sellers chose this lot to build their forever dream home, which has cradled their family lineage for decades. She's ready and waiting to be a showstopper once again.
The home was erected using quality construction measures, and its design lends a predated flair that we see so often in today's new construction design, with crisp, clean lines versus curves and multiple special niche spaces we can't wait to share. What I can't get over is its primo location on the widest point of Ginguite Creek, a haven coveted by all waterfront home seekers in the area. Plus, homeowners enjoy all of the wonderful community amenities, such as the security 24/7 guarded gate access, a marina with boat dock and ramp, stocked ponds for fishing, playgrounds, waterfront pavilion for hosting gatherings, boat and trailer storage, and many community events throughout the year to attend with neighbors.
One thing I love about Martins Point location is the boating access to open water, making it easy to pop out for afternoon fishing by the bridge or over to the town of Duck for dinner and libations at sunset, offering the true waterfront lifestyle you're searching for. At 3,200 square feet of living space, the home is situated on a 100-foot wide high and dry lot in an ex-flood zone. Creekfront parcels are much appreciated for their additional protection from the hazards of our often volatile coastal storm surges. The functional floor plan offers open concept, single floor living, an impressive updated kitchen with all of the bells and whistles. And my favorite spot is the amazing all-weather sun porch, perfect for entertaining large family gatherings poolside and on the waterfront.
Thank you for joining us today. We look forward to sharing more about this rare opportunity.
With so much to offer on the waterfront, you'll be excited to make it your own. So call today and schedule your private tour. Thank you again, and don't forget, subscribe and follow us to stay up to date on all Outer Banks community information and real estate.
Thank you for joining, and have a great day.